with that creamy spinach tomato pasta dish I made on my IG. Let's just jump in because it's a lot. I'm gonna make a small batch. You're gonna need some cashews, the penne pasta, pink Himalayan salt or your choice of salt, onion powder, olive oil or your choice of oil, grapeseed, sunflower oil. You know, you do your thing, baby girl. Need oregano, basil, thyme leaves, red pepper flakes. If you have rosemary, bring that baby in. Any type of great herbs that you like is gonna be good because you're gonna mix that into your cashew creamer, which we're gonna be making from scratch. A NutriBullet, I'm using almond milk for now. A teaspoon measurement, a measuring cup, almond flour. Okay, so right now I have the cashews boiling. I usually overnight them, but we don't have time. So if you're in a rush, boil your cashews, I would say for like 10 minutes or 15 minutes until they're like soft. And then I have water boiling here for my pasta because I want my pasta to boil while I'm creating the sauce. This should take like 15 to 20 minutes because we've already boiling the cashews and all that good stuff. Okay? So I've taken a handful of spinach and I chopped those up. I also took like about 4 to 5 garlic cloves and I minced that up. And then I took half of a tomato and I chopped those up as well. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt to the pasta water. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of olive oil because I don't want my pasta to stick. The water is boiling. I'm gonna go ahead and add the pasta. I'm gonna put that in there for 13 minutes. Move around your pasta when you place it in the pot so that they don't stink. Okay, and now you can leave that alone. And I'm gonna go ahead and check on the cashews, make sure that they are soft. I'm gonna check it here with my knife to make sure, and it is pretty soft. So once you have that, pour it into a bowl and strain out your cashews. All right, so then you grab your NutriBullet. Go ahead and add that in there, right? And you're going to take all of your herbs and you're gonna start adding a bit into that. Enough to where like the cashews end up. I'm gonna add a little bit of lime juice to that as well. Now we're gonna go ahead and blend that until it's nice and creamy. Bate que bate, que chocolate. And so I also go ahead and I take a little bit and I taste it. So good. It gives me like, I don't know what, but it's like an Italian cream. I like to use this pan, a little bit of olive oil. Well, more like 4 teaspoons. What we're gonna do is that we're gonna saute the garlic for at least like a minute. And then we're gonna add the tomatoes for like a minute, and then we're gonna add the creamer. Add half a cup of flour because I'm not making too much, right? Flour, and we're gonna mix that. I'm gonna take that creamer, we're gonna keep adding it. Just make sure that your fire is a bit lower so that you're not burning up your food. What I like to do is add some milk to it. milk and the mixture of the creamer. You're gonna keep basically whisking it so that it can be smooth. And we're gonna add a teaspoon of onion powder. So I add like that much of tomato paste. I'm gonna add a little bit more basil, and I'm gonna add some red pepper flakes. You know what I'm saying? This is gonna be banging. It's gonna be beefy. So now we're gonna add the spinach because our pasta is almost done. Now we're gonna go ahead and strain your pasta because it should be good. I also, when I strain my pasta, I don't toss out that water. Why? Because you just never know if we're gonna need it. And pasta water is legit the best to ever work with when you're doing a pasta dish. So I'm gonna put it into this bowl. Grab that, strain it. And here I go. Have my pasta water on the side. We're gonna use. Good y'all. One thing about me, man, I am clumsy and good. Wow, babies, look at that pasta. It's delicious. All right, so once you're here, basically you're done. You did your spinach tomato vegan pasta recipe. Like, go ahead and try that. See how good it is. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. It's hot. Banging. If you want to add vegan parmesan, go ahead. If you want to add more red pepper flakes to it to give it like a little nice spice to it, go ahead. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, you know, making your delicious dish. All right, a moment of truth. We're gonna taste our food. Let's try the concussion right here. First of all, I love me some pasta. And one thing I miss is cheese. So creating anything creamy like this is always like my favorite. I love that it has spinach. I'm still getting my greens in, regardless of the carbs. But vamos a ver lo que está. It's so good. So good. If you like, you know, my pasta and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Like, add a like right there, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you like it, if you tried it, let a sister know, you know what I'm saying? Add a comment, tag me on Instagram if you done it, or send me a little DM, send me a little something. I do hope y'all try it because this is amazing, and it's a great way to get some nuts and spinach in, like some greens. So yeah, let us just know how you feel about me, you heard? Peace out.